Dubbing for Samyoga short film. How are you feeling?
Yeah, I'm feeling
musician. It's been testing us like hell.
Our next project music is going on. Now it's November, so hope it doesn't go for next June release. So
Then I'm gonna start because I enjoyed the process.
if it releases, that is cool.
ನಮ್ಮ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ರು ನೋಡಿ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೈ ಹಾಕಿ ಮುಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Snacks ತಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನಮಗ?
Yes bro.
Music ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಿಂದ
And we're gonna kill it, baby.
இந்த whole monthly இன்னைக்கு தான் ஃபேமிலிக்காக டைம் ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணலாம் ப்ராமிஸ் பண்ணிட்டேன்.
It's 11 and still we are in the dubbing studio and it's
We don't know what the hell we are doing and how what.
Might take till 2 o'clock. Finally the dubbing is done.
Finally the dubbing is done and I'm feeling really really great.
So hey, pause it bro, we'll get copyright issue in the vlog.
So happy to be part of B13.
Cool.
Bye.
Bye. Hello. We are now in
Bro, yeah bro.
Dubbing for Samyoga short film. For my portions. I have one director.
Thanks bro.
Yes, dubbing is also going on. You could have seen in previous vlog.
That's a different film. This is a new film.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
For both the
he's
film, Param dubbed as my friend. Yeah, that's the. Thank you, Param. We'll catch you in the next.
I did it for 2 characters. He asked for another character. I rejected it.
I was so hurt. I told him that I'll get biryani.
No, I didn't have time.
I told
Today,
him
wait.
that I'll
I
get
if
biryani.
possible.
No, he rejected the biryani offer also. That was a very hurt.
And the biryani nalla illa.
Na vera biryani vaangi tharene. Night 11 o'clock enna biryani
And here comes our protagonist. We have our DOP. Bro, introduce yourself, bro. Today our sound engineer.
I am Joyce. I am Joyce and Ronnie.
Joyce and Ronnie is a music director too.
Yeah, today I
So,
am dubbing engineer.
Yeah. How are you feeling?
Yeah, I'm feeling
Musician.
We are waiting for like 3 hours. We finally got the electricity. And they were Chikkanalli main road.
Protagonist is here.
Go and talk some.
Writing the dialogues. I have length dialogues. This film also. I remember last film the sound engineer was like my hand is gonna pain. ஞாபகம் இருக்காது அவன்கிட்ட சொன்ன தம்பி ஏன்பா இவ்வளோ பேசுற.
See our future director, next film project director Chanakya came.
பிரேமத கோப்பையனா பே கரெக்டா சொல்லிட்டாங்கடா.
This is the music composed by him.
Hi. Today we are dubbing for Samyoga and this project is something which we wanted to do from a long time and it's been testing us like hell. And this is my crew. And this guy is Mohan. This is all my friends there and this is Param.
Our next project music is going on and we have our director and music director.
Yeah. Meanwhile, I was thinking what to do about the promotions for the first project, and I think we had some videos, vlog videos of Param, and I thought we can also include this one. This is Veeraj, the calm and patient guy who is following me from last 5 months, and this is Param. He's also calm and patient. He's also been part of our B13 from like 6 months now, and this is my DOP. He has no choice but to be calm. That is our Chalukya, the next director of the B13.
ready.
He has also no choice.
Sure.
So today we hope. Oh. So it's been a long journey and it was just a 4-day shoot, and after the first day of shoot it was like a month gap to do the second day shoot, and after the second day shoot it was like 3 weeks gap to do the third and fourth day shoot, and after the 4 days of shoot for the dubbing it's been a month. So we don't know how we are gonna end up with the edit and how we are gonna end up with the mixing part. I hope it comes good.
Look for your short film. In the look. Hey, the one. Okay, like Divakar gave me an opportunity for Samyoga short film, so I applied for the short film through Instagram. Instagram. So they didn't believe that I will do it. So after a conversation through the call, then I got to know they are passionate, and so that's how I was embedded into Samyoga short film, and it was a cool process. Today is the dubbing, and today is the last day, and we'll finish it. The rough cut has been like it's good, like whatever I've seen to my
Do you
sense.
remember when we did the first shoot?
Yeah, it was like June, July. Now it's November, so hope it doesn't go for next June release. So December, by Christmas, if it's released, then it's cool. So I'm hoping Divakar releases. He said it will be released. Bro, 2 months step, bro. It's 6 months. So I got to know. So next project is with Chanukya. Chanukya is saying that 1 month the process will be done, but I doubt it will not be done. So yeah, and we have another director with whom I'll be working. So he's working on his project. So cool.
Can't believe like ಇಷ್ಟು months ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೆನೆ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆದಂಗಿದೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ಡ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ರೈಟ್
ಬ್ರೋ ಮಾಡಿದೆ 4 ದಿವಸ ಶೂಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
4 ದಿನ ಲೈಕ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ 4 ದಿನ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮೆಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 10-15 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಸೊ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಲವ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದ when I call you, you keep yapping about everything more than my girlfriend actually. So adrinda like I was interested to hear about you. That's it.
How what is your expectations on this project?
Expectations for right now, no expectations. Like
If it
you said on the
releases,
first
that is
day,
good. If it releases, that is cool. That's bigger thing. Go active.
like you said on the first day, it will be my profile to use it for the next one.
Yeah, I hope so.
Waiting for the release.
பரம் சாணக்கிய டேரக்டர் இருக்கும்போது பார்த்துரு யாராவது தப்பு பண்ணா ஒரே அடி தான்.
ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗೋ ಹೊಡಿತ್ಯಾಂಗ ಆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ನೆಲ್ಲ
ಪ್ರೇಮದ ಕೋಪೇನ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ
ஒன்றும்
ஷார்ட்டா சொல்லு ப்ரோ.
ஷார்ட்டாவா இல்ல ಹಿಂಗೆ கரெக்டா இருக்கும். மிக்சிங் பண்ணும்போது வாய்ஸ் ஒரு மாதிரி ஸ்க்வீஸ் பண்ண மாதிரி இருக்கும்.
ஓகே
டபுள் ஃபில்டர் யூஸ் பண்ணு சீரியஸ்லி.
ஏன்னா அது ரொம்ப
சென்சிட்டிவ். டோன்ட் யூஸ் திஸ் ஃபில்டர்.
My dubbing is getting
இல்ல bro அத யூஸ் பண்ணுங்க. ಏನದಕ್ಕೆ 360 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್.
ಸೊ ಸಂಯೋಗ ಡಬ್ಬಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆನೇ ಹೆವಿ ತಡಗಳು ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ರು ನೋಡಿ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೈ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನೇನು ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಆ ರೇಂಜ್ಗೆ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ
ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಓಕೆ ಆದ್ರೂ ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಪುಂಡ ಅಲ್ಲ ಬರೀ ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್. ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್.
ಓ ಟೂ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳು, ನಂಬೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೇಳು, ಒಪ್ಕೊಂತಾನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಂಕ್ಡ್. ರೈಟ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂತ. ಇದು ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮುಂದೆ.
ರೈಟ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದು
ರೈಟ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ ತಕ್ಷಣ.
ಸಾರಿ, ರೈಟ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ.
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. Hey bro, what's up?
ಸ್ನಾಕ್ಸ್ ತಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನಮಗ?
Yes bro. Snacks ಯಾರಿಗೆ?
And here is Mega. Oh, Mega, right? Hello, we are going for lunch. What? Oh, sorry, dinner. Let's go. So again today we are going triples in editing. Problems of filmmaking. So now protagonist is riding the bike.
And the antagonist is sitting behind.
Yeah, and the director in the mid. And what we are having today? Biryani kushka. That's an universal food for our production. Biryani production is a very good production which gives biryani every time. Usually it's not the case in other productions. So we are so thankful. With boiled eggs. So cool. We are going there. We'll see. Oh, we got it.
We got the shop now.
ನಾವು ಶಾಪಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Oh, this is the biryani shop we are eating. Yeah. No Ambur Dum biryani. Allu new Ambur Dum biryani is it? So, Bandru is our sound engineer. So, music kotti chindaito recharging bandru. So here comes our new director, Chanakya. Your phone matter, it's okay. Heavy. So we ate biryani. Is going. ಹೆಸರೇನ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಶಾಪ್ದು? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದೇವ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕನಹಳ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದರೆ ಈ ಶಾಪಿಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅಣ್ಣ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿತ್ತು. ಯಾವ್ದಣ್ಣ ಇದು ರೋಡ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಅದೇ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ದೇವ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕನಹಳ್ಳಿ ಮೇನ್ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ?
ಇದು ಬಿಳಕಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನ್ ರೋಡ್.
ಹಾಂ, ಬಿಳಕಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇನ್ ರೋಡ್ ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಇದೆ?
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಪಕ್ಕ ಇದೆ.
ಓಕೆನಾ, ಯಾವುದಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ. ಹಾಂ ವೀರಭದ್ರ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ, ಆ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಪಕ್ಕನೇ ಶಾಪ್ ಇದೆ. ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. After the food, right there working, so dedicated. And here are people preparing with camera work for tomorrow's shoot. I'll put this in vlog.
And we're gonna kill it, baby. We are about to give you all class
professionals, bro.
We are professionals.
இந்த ஹோல் மந்த்லி இன்னைக்கு தான் ஃபேமிலிக்காக டைம் ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணலாம் ப்ராமிஸ் பண்ணிட்டேன்.
மாமா வந்துட்டாருல்ல. Yeah, that's okay. இது மைக் கனெக்ட் ஆகல. நாங்க எங்க மைக்ல தான் இன்புட்.
சூப்பர் ப்ரோ. ப்ரோ எதுவும் இல்லை ப்ரோ, அன்னைக்கு நான் சொன்னேன்ல.
இல்ல அதுதான் ட்ரை பண்ணோம். ஆல்சோ முரளி கேம் and also another person came. உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட் கூட யாரோ வந்தாரு.
ரோஹித்.
அவரும் வந்தாரு.
இன்புட்
Hey bro.
ஓகே.
11 o'clock or 12?
11.
It's 11 and still we are in the dubbing studio. And yes,
We don't know what the hell we are doing and what are we supposed to even record.
Is giving the fillers and my dubbing is done. My still fillers are there, and there the sound engineer is working on the system, the sound system, and here are our team. You could see. So it might take till 2 o'clock. Bye. Finally, the dubbing is done.
It's the banana gangster.
So the dubbing is done. How are you feeling?
Finally, the dubbing is done and I'm feeling really great.
So, pause it, bro. We'll get copyright issue in the vlog. Chanakya, how are you feeling? So finally, the dubbing is done.
What did you feel? Blood and sweat.
So my portion is completely done. Divakar needed a very specific kind of reactions and all. So we tried to give our best. So he's okay with that. I hope he's happy. And how did you feel, bro, about B13 studio?
have to be happy. So happy to be part of B13.
Cool. He's giving the music for
Yeah.
the short film. Bye. How was the dubbing?
I should see the recording setup.
Okay. Bye.
Good night, bro. Bye.
Bye. So once the whole short film is done, we will update on it. So until then, bye. See ya.